Hey there, clever minds. Welcome back to Forever Clever. Today, we've got a brain teaser that will put your problem-solving skills to the test. Imagine a bustling school filled with eager learners. Today, we're diving into an IQ question that challenges you to find the total number of students in grade 6. In a school with 4 classes in grade 6, A, B, C, and D. Here's what we know about the students. Classes B, C, and D together have a total of 131 students. Classes A, B, and C combined have 134 students. The number of students in classes B and C combined is one less than the total in classes A and D combined. Now, the big question is, how many students are there in total in grade 6? Alright, clever minds? You've heard the question, and now it's time to put your thinking caps on. You have 30 seconds to come up with the answer. Remember, take your time to analyze the clues and do your best. Ready? Let's see how clever you really are. Your time starts now. Can you crack the code and come up with the answer? Join me as we break down the clues and explore the math behind it. Ready? Let's jump right in. Now, let's combine the 3 clues we've gathered. We can illustrate classes B and C with red blocks and classes A and D with purple blocks. From clue number 3, we know that the total number of students in classes A and D combined has one more student than in classes B and C combined. Now, let's visualize this by moving the purple blocks around and aligning them with the red ones. All these blocks together sum up to 131 plus 134. Do you see the answer forming? If we take 3 red blocks plus 1, it equals 265. This means that one red block represents 88 students, indicating that classes B and C combined have 88 students. Since classes A and D combined have one more student than B and C combined, that brings us to 89 students for A and D. Finally, when we add the students from all 4 classes together, 88 from B and C, plus 89 from A and D, we get a total of 177 students in grade 6. And there you have it. Thanks for joining me in solving this IQ question. If you enjoyed the challenge and learned something new, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to Forever Clever for more intriguing puzzles and brain teasers. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll tackle even more clever challenges. Until next time, keep thinking smart.